Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Note the router IP and admin password, check the Smart Home Bro model number, and power the hub. Once done, connect the hub to power and keep it within 3 meters of your router. Interference kills provisioning. Make sure your phone is on the same network and that too. 4 GHz is enabled because many devices don't support 5 GHz during onboarding. Now open the official app and select Add Device to begin the loading sequence. You will follow the app's provisioning flow. Choose the exact model, enter the SSID and password, and confirm settings. Allow location and local network permissions. These let the app detect the hub and send credentials. Listen for audible tones and watch LED patterns. 3 quick blinks means pairing started. Steady glow means successful connection. If the app shows a timeout, retry with a shorter password or remove special characters. Remember to keep the phone screen on until the app shows the success confirmation. You finish by naming the Smart Home Bro device, assigning it to a room, and letting the app install any firmware updates. These updates fix bugs and secure the device. If the device doesn't appear online, reboot the router and power cycle the hub, then retry onboarding. If problems persist, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then reinitiate setup. One key tip: check router settings for client isolation. Turn it off so devices can communicate locally during provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.